Samsung has tried to differentiate its Windows tablets from the vast majority to varying success. The firm's latest attempt appears to swim more with the tide than against it, but maintains some of that individual spirit that only ends up hurting it in the end. Samsung Galaxy Book 2, a 12-inch tablet that gets on trend in its industrial design but decidedly off-trend on the inside. Getting in line from a design perspective may have been the best decision Samsung has ever made for a computing product, but adopting a Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 processor may have been its worst mistake. Samsung Galaxy Book 2 replete with an S Pen stylus and keyboard. It will cost you $999, about £757, $1,399, in the US when it launches on November 2nd on AT&T, Microsoft, and Samsung's online stores. The tablet is also going straight to AT&T, Sprint, and Verizon retail stores later this month. This is the only configuration for Galaxy Book 2 at the moment, which nets you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 850 processor backed up by 4GB of memory and 128GB of solid-state storage. This all sits behind a 12-inch Super AMOLED display with a 2160x1,440 pixel resolution. This new design doesn't necessarily make the Galaxy Book 2 that much more portable than previous editions, measuring 0.30 inches, 7.62 millimeters, and weighing 1.85 pounds, 839 g. But it certainly makes the device way more versatile.